These little fellows are supposed to be hatching out in mass around here, and I couldn't find any. I just drove out the valley, and within a few miles of none, they were everywhere. I just stopped for a couple minutes, picked a few up and put it in a little box and brought them along home. Well, they were singing. Out there where these were, they were all over the brush, all over the trees. They were trying to fly. They're not the most, what do you want to say, gracious things in the wing. They're kind of, on the wing, they're kind of clumsy. They were falling in a little creek out there, and the trout were grabbing them within 2-3 feet of their floating, having a field day. They always intrigued me from when I was a kid on up. They're harmless, but big orange eyes, the size of them, they used to tell us all kinds of tales, how they'd sting you and they were poison and they killed the trees, they'd sting the trees. And when we were kids, all my friends were afraid of them. I used to collect them and have a field day chasing everybody around. Well, this is our 17-year cicada here in central Pennsylvania. Well, now they won't cooperate and sing. Oh well.